In this video, we'll guide you through connecting your social accounts to the social planner in GrowthEdge CRM. This tool allows you to post content, including text, photos, and videos, to multiple platforms and schedule posts in bulk for specific dates and times, enhancing post engagement and efficiency. Let's get started! Log into your GrowthEdge CRM account. Navigate to Launchpad in the left-hand menu. Click on the Connect button next to the social network you wish to connect. Authorize access. You will be prompted to log into the specific social account you are connecting. Grant the necessary permissions to allow GrowthEdge CRM to access and post on your behalf. Repeat the above steps for each social account you wish to connect to the social planner. Ensure you have access to the specific social accounts you are connecting. The system will need authorization to access and post as a third party. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and schedule your social media posts across multiple platforms using the GrowthEdge CRM Social Planner. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.